Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some pig feet right here. About to go ahead and clean these bad boys up. We're going to toss these in the crock pot and let them cook overnight. So how we go clean these bad boys, we're going to use some baking soda, some white vinegar, and some lemon. 2 lemons. So that's how we go clean these pig feet. Then we're going to season them up, throw them in a crock pot, let them do their thing. Okay, so we got the pig feet all cleaned up. Now we're going to give it a nice little seasoning. Some garlic powder. Some oregano. Some like good cooking wine. If you have any apple cider vinegar, add like 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. I ran out of apple cider vinegar. So if you have any chopped up onion, chopped up big pieces, chop them up. 3 chicken bouillon cubes. Some sriracha sauce. You don't have to add that, that's optional. And that's all I'm using for now. So right now it's going to be 12 o'clock at night. I'm putting this on, so I'm gonna let them cook. But I say I'm just gonna put 10 hours. That's all I'm just gonna put. 10 hours on there. Hold on. 8 hours. 10 hours. That's 10 hours low. All right, I'm put 8 hours high. Yeah, 8 hours high. There we go, right there. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so what we have right here, we have some cabbage I chopped up. We're gonna do some fried smothered cabbage. Add some celery, white onion, pepper. Season it up. It's another seasoning that I bought from Ross. I purchased from Ross. So yes, Ross has seasoning. I purchased a couple more for my seafood. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and let this cook down for a minute. I need some vegetable oil in there. No salt. You don't have to worry about salt free. Bad seasoning. So we'll go ahead and let this cook down for a minute. Okay. So now we'll add a tablespoon of sugar. Chicken bouillon cube. Some paprika. Give it that nice color. Now we're going to add our pig feet. I know there's a lot of people out there don't eat pig feet, staying away from the pork. But I eat it like once every year or so. That's how I've been in my family growing up. So don't come at me. You hear me? Alright, so add some of this good flavor, good seasoning to the pig feet. Put the top on there, let him go ahead and finish cooking. Okay, so here we go right here. It's good dinner. When I say this finna be fire with some hot sauce, the only thing I didn't make was cornbread. But this finna be some fire with some Louisiana hot sauce, whatever hot sauce you like to your liking. Hey, here we go, some pig feet with some smothered fried cabbage. Some people gonna say, ugh, but a lot of people gonna be like, yeah. You know what I mean? And I'm one of them. Yeah. Are you about to put this good food on a nice plate so we can close this video? Don't forget to hit that like button if y'all don't like this video. If you don't like pork, still hit that like button for me. Still let the video play. Appreciate you. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice little video for the good family and friends. Did my thing in this good kitchen. Look at that good pig feet right there. If you eat pork, don't knock it until you try it. But if you don't eat pork, then, you know what I mean, you can knock it. But this is where I was raised. You know what I mean? My dad from Louisiana. My mom, granny, everybody from Arkansas. I'm from the Bay Area, you know what I mean? So I have both worlds in me. So this how we doing it. Some good, delicious pig feet with some smothered fried cabbage. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hitting dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out, give them a left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessed. in the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessed in the kitchen. Just roll a dice and what you asking is a chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right.